One of the most common questions traders ask is this: why does the bias say long when price clearly isn't moving up? That confusion doesn't come from the market. It comes from misunderstanding what bias is actually meant to represent. The Zamora bias indicator is not an entry signal. It doesn't tell you when to buy and sell. Bias provides context. It answers a different question. Which side of the market currently has the structural advantage? As market conditions compress, you'll sometimes see the bias move to neutral. Neutral doesn't mean randomness, and it doesn't mean something is broken. Neutral is a stand-aside state. It exists to prevent overengagement when structure becomes unclear. This transition doesn't need to happen quickly. It might take 5 minutes or 30. The amount of time isn't the point. Bias changes by state, not by impatience. When the structure stabilizes, the bias can return to long. Not because price suddenly accelerated, but because context resolved again. This is why bias should never be treated as a trigger. It's a framework, not a command. Bias provides context. Execution is a separate skill that requires rules, repetition, and screen time. This video is about understanding context, not placing trades. Bias doesn't tell you when to trade, it tells you when it makes sense to look.